Astig, uy. Bakit magmatlabs? Hi! Awa. Nay, happy birthday sa'yo. Nagkuan mo, Victorian? Wow! Wait lang. Ito na, i-clip. Sure. Sorry, yung mga sadya sa loob. Lalaki ay.
Hello! Don't comment my YouTube channel mga kabukit and share this video.
Tingnan nga lang, bakit mo ay? Mga sabay ba ba? Sige mo, Pearl. Nagtuwa. Ang lamian ko, ang dali ay, wow. This is how bukid feels, Trevor. Ang lamian ko, why dito? Lutang po dyan nila. Fresh air. Tara, nakikilan ka. Lapit na ba? Char hikers.
I set out on a narrow way many years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road. But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign pointed straight to you. Every long lost stream led me to where you are. And others who broke my heart, they were like no other stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road and led me straight to you. Yes, it did. I think about the years I spent just passing through. I like to have the time I've lost and give it back to you. Oh, but you just smile and take my hand. You've been there, you understand. It's all part of a grander plan that is coming true. Every long lost dream led me to where you are. And others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Now I'm just rolling home into my lover's arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. That God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Hey.
We're going down. Apa gapon na uban? Ito ang bago. Kapit na tayo ang church. Gani mo. Random pa rin ito. Dahil umaman yun alas 3 ulit. Tapos kami nagpagpapagpapaw para mablayo ka lang ko ang expect niya sinigil. Be! Parang kids. Okay, sa mga sa may karon kay panghanos kami kadyo. Kaya ang sa ginapawan pa ni. Ang katulan. Hindi ba taplakan. Kuya eh. Wait. Ngaog na may